Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ford Transit's Bluetooth. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is on and your phone's Bluetooth is activated. Then, navigate to the Sync System menu on your Transit's display. From there, select the Add Device option to begin the pairing process. This initial step is crucial for establishing a connection between your mobile device and the vehicle's infotainment system, setting you up for hands-free communication and audio streaming. After selecting Add Device, your Ford Transit Sync System will become discoverable. On your phone, search for available Bluetooth devices and select Sync when it appears. A unique PIN will then be displayed on both your phone and the vehicle's screen. Confirm these numbers match. Finally, grant the Sync System access to your phone's contacts and messages if prompted. Your device should now be successfully paired and ready to use. If you encounter issues connecting, try a few troubleshooting steps. First, restart both your mobile phone and the Ford Transit Sync System. Sometimes, simply clearing old devices from the sync memory can resolve connection problems. It's also a good idea to check for any available sync software updates, as these often include bug fixes. For persistent issues, consulting your vehicle's owner's manual can provide specific guidance tailored to your model. Once connected, you can unlock several advanced features. Utilize voice commands for completely hands-free calling and texting, keeping your focus on the road. You can also stream your favorite music or podcasts directly from your phone, enhancing every journey. For those looking to simplify their daily routine, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals. Finally, the Sync System allows you to manage multiple paired devices, making it simple for different drivers or passengers to connect their phones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.